welcome back to my channel. Today I am literally in the weirdest mood ever, so I don't know what's going on. I haven't had coffee. I literally just, I don't know, I'm just in a weird mood. I think quarantine is like really starting to get to me, but today I'm going to be filming my everyday makeup routine for you guys. It's just the routine that I'm doing right now, that I used to do when I could go outside, that I do some days just to do something other than watch Netflix all day. You can only see the way my camera is stacked up right now because I was gonna sit on the floor where I usually film, but the lighting is just a little crazy right now, so we didn't do that today. I'm just gonna chat to you guys. Also, I wanna say thank you guys so much for all the support and all the love on my last video. I'm gonna link it. I don't know if it's gonna be up here or up here, but if you guys haven't checked it out, it's just a what's on my iPhone video and you guys really love that. So I'm just starting with the Maybelline New York foundation, and it is in Natural Ivory, which I don't know if it's the lightest shade or like the second lightest shade, but as you can tell, I'm very white. I'm literally the same color as my sweater, so that's good. I just do like a light layer just to I forgot my primer. Okay, well it's too late now, but normally I just use the Professional Benefit Primer, and I got like this little sample, so I thought why not. But since we forgot about it, I wanted to like come on here and chat to you guys, just because obviously I don't know if a lot of you guys used to watch me before when I used to make videos, or if you guys are new, but I've been getting a ton of questions lately on like how I have so many subscribers. And I mean, I don't like think that I have a lot of subscribers, but obviously for somebody that only has 3 videos, it could look a little weird why I have the amount that I do. Basically, I used to do YouTube, I think I started in like 2013. I was in going into grade 8. So I was like 13, super young, and I was like obsessed with like Juicy Star 07, the Bethany Moda days, like OG YouTube. I was gonna use the Maybelline New York concealer in light. Obviously it took me a while to grow my channel, but that was in the era of YouTube of like saturation and like DIYs and like all that stuff. Yeah, basically I did YouTube starting in 2013, and then I don't really know when I stopped. I was doing it when I started high school. In grade 10 I was still doing it because I went to BeautyCon New York. Basically I just started YouTube a long time ago, and then I stopped in like grade 10 or 11. I think it was grade 11, maybe like grade 11, middle of grade 11. Taking the NYX eyebrow pencil and chocolate, but because of quarantine, it's literally all empty, and I don't want to go to the store just to get a new eyebrow pencil because that's like pointless. So I just brush out my brows, and then I take the Tartelette in Bloom palette. I literally just take like this eyebrow brush, and I use the shade, it's called Jet Setter, and I just fill my brows with that. Like I said, I did it until like grade 11, something like that. I just kind of stopped. I don't know really why. I think I just, other things. I was like working, just like going out with my friends, and it was just something I like kind of grew out of. There's been like periods where I started again, like last year in my first year of university, I did like a dorm tour, just taking the Hoola Benefit bronzer. I just like, obviously, it is what you prioritize your time doing, and I, for some reason, just didn't prioritize YouTube. So yeah, and here we are now. I've been thinking about it for months to start again, and since I'm literally stuck at home every day, I was like, hey, why not start YouTube again? So here we are. If any of you guys were a YouTuber back then, and you were signed with a network, I got signed with a network called Style Hall. Oh, I'm using the Bobbi Brown highlighter in pink gold. Yeah, so I got signed with the network Style Hall. So I have like a manager and all that stuff. And Style Hall was awful. If you were with Style Hall, you, I don't know. It was just not a good situation, and took basically all of the money that I made on YouTube, and I like barely got any of it. So, but in Bloom palette again, and I'm just using the color Smarty Pants, just like as a little crease. Just curling my eyelashes. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I feel like this video is literally all over the place. See, like, when you're young and you sign contracts, and that Style Hall was like the network to sign with back then. It was like, oh my god, like the goal. Like, I remember when I started my channel, and a few months in, I heard about Style Hall, and I was like, oh my god, like the goal is to get signed with Style Hall. And then I got signed with them, and it just... If you guys have any videos that you would like to see from me, please let me know, because it's really hard thinking of ideas all the time when obviously like you're just stuck inside. Maybe I'll do like some college related videos. If you guys would like to see those, definitely just let me know. That is basically my everyday makeup. It's like super obviously fast and easy. But yeah, I'm so sorry this video was like literally all over the place. I just wanted to get another video up for you guys. If you enjoyed, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and again, let me know any videos that you would like to see in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!